Hi there, we're going to show you now how to install POWERTEC miter bar. The first and most important step is to unplug the table saw. As you can see, the miter bars come with countersunk, pre-drilled holes. Place washers or coins in the miter slot to raise the miter bars. This guarantees contact with the sled later. Next, lay the bars on the coins with the countersunk side facing down and put double-sided tape on the bars. We've pre-measured and we're using the fence to align the sled correctly over the miter bars. With the runners stuck in place, we can flip the sled and now fasten the runners using the flathead screws that came with the kit. And it's as easy as that, the POWERTEC miter bar.